Well, the number of COVID-19 cases is on the rise here in central Ohio, but this state is faring better than other parts of the country in terms of the virus community levels. NBC4's Dan Perlman joining us now live with more on that. Dan, fill us in.
Well, you know, Brad, some parts of the Northeast, for example, are in the orange or high on the CDC's community levels map. All of Ohio is in the green or low. Still, the city's top doctor says COVID-19 is not behind us, something a number of people know all too well.
Yeah, so starting last Tuesday, it just felt like a mild cold.
So Ann Perrine took a COVID-19 test. It was negative, but the symptoms continued.
And then by Thursday, it was, I just need to lay down and go to sleep.
That's when she tested positive.
I have not had it before, but I understand why nobody wants it.
And not alone with the virus in central Ohio. Dr. Mashika Roberts telling me there has been an increase in cases in Columbus and Franklin County over the last few weeks. The 7-day average in Columbus Public Health jurisdiction, she says, has almost tripled from the end of March through May 1st. And while all of Ohio is low on the CDC's community levels map, Dr. Roberts does have concern.
I'm very concerned that we could see a trend, whether we go to the high level, which is orange, or whether we go to yellow. And so I caution our residents that if they're not vaccinated, now's the time to get vaccinated. If they're not boosted, now's the time to get boosted.
When it comes to getting vaccinated, Ann is glad she got her shots.
I'm really thankful that I've got the vaccine and at least one booster in me, because who knows what the situation would be if I didn't.
That is, she, like Dr. Roberts, recommends taking a test when you do feel symptoms.
Do an at-home test to make sure that it's only allergies and not COVID-19. And although the symptoms could be mild for you and could mimic allergies, if you transmit that to somebody else who is immunocompromised or an older adult, they could have some real serious issues.
Now, Dr. Roberts says while there has been an increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations, it is not creating a burden on our area health systems. As for masks, she says she has had no discussions about a mask order in the city, and that's not something she would recommend. But she told me if you do feel more comfortable wearing a mask when you're out and about, you should do so. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.